Replacing barcodes on frames. In this video we look on how to replace the barcodes on frames. Items needed for this project: a scraper, barcode stickers, defect label, pen, gloves, measuring profiles or tape measure, and a stacker. Before replacing the frame barcodes, firstly inspect the frames to make sure that there is no physical damage or parts missing on the frames. Should the frame have a defect, attach a defect label tag with your name, date, and description of the defect, and place the frame aside to be sent to the supplier for repairs. Each set of frame has two sections, the upper section known as frame 26 and the lower frame known as frame 25. The frames are easily identified firstly by their height. The lower frame 25 is shorter than the top frame 26. Also, the lower frame has barcodes numbered 25. And the top frame's barcodes are numbered 26. Each section of the frame works independently, meaning that if only one section of the frame barcodes is defective, then the other section does not need to be replaced. Each section frame 25 or 26 have 10 barcodes, of which 4 are metal. There are 5 barcodes to the right that start with the number 4, and 5 barcodes that are on the left that start with the number 2. Facing the front of the frame at the green markers, the barcodes to the right start with the number 4 and the barcodes on the left start with the number 2. Changing the barcodes. All 10 barcodes need to be replaced, and not only the damaged barcodes. Gently remove the barcode using a scraper and remove any residue left behind. Use the measure profile provided to measure the position of the barcodes. There are 2 measurement profiles provided, 37 cm for the main barcodes and 18.5 cm for the frame tote numbers. Carefully place the barcodes in their correct positions and align them evenly. Once completed with replacing the barcodes, remove the defect label tag and place the frame aside ready to be used again in the system. Task completed.